What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Website Candy, and there's something I want to show you guys today. This is pretty cool. This is pretty interesting. I didn't know if you noticed or not, but I want to show you this. So, first of all, we're going to start off with, we're over here on my Handy Danny channel. I have two channels. The Website Candy you're watching me from now, and I also have Handy Danny, okay? So, over here on Handy Danny, if you're not subscribed to me yet, go ahead and subscribe. Come on over. But I did that on purpose because if you notice on YouTube here, if you say the word, the creator says the word subscribe, the little subscribe button illuminates. Of course, I've been subscribed to myself, but I unsubscribed just to show it to you guys, right? So I'm going to play this audio. I might turn it down very low. Let me turn it down very, very low. And watch right here. Watch this. And it does it on the mobile as well. So I rewinded it far enough. I got the closed caption on to make sure that I can see it in real time. And I'm about to say it. I used to say it all the time in all my videos on here on Website Candy. Here it goes. Check it out. Did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see that? On the phone, the animation is even a lot better. You can see you got that animation when you do subscribe. Like I said, I unsubscribed to myself just to show you guys, right? Then something else over here on YouTube that's pretty cool. They have this whole entire ask type of thing, so this thing pops up right here, and it's asking you a couple questions. You can ask me certain type of questions. I've noticed, I do believe on the mobile, when I go to upload a video, I can upload a video and I can tag your whole entire question within my video. So you kind of give you the center stage of I'm answering your question, so YouTube is like really new and fun and innovative in regards to what they're offering. And I don't know if you guys are realizing it or not, but make sure you like this video as you're sitting here watching it. But that's something I just really wanted to make you guys aware of here with YouTube. On the mobile, I might do another version of this with the mobile because I feel like the mobile is a little bit different, but you do get the animation and subscribe. And then you also do get the ask over here. I'm not sure if it's rolled out for everyone, but ask me a question on my channel here. Hit that little button on my channel and let me know that it's working, whatever the case may be. But since we're here, I want to also point something out. September 9th, we're supposed to be getting those Apple glasses, right? So let's go over here to Apple's website. There's been the big buzz about when you mouse over the Apple logo, it gives you this little animation. Let me tell you what this animation is about. This animation is for glasses. What they're trying to say, what they're trying to help you understand within this animation is the glasses are going to give you x-ray vision. Not really x-ray vision, but the glasses, as you can thermally, if that's a word, if you can see, through like a thermal thing, that's where the glasses, this is the nose bridge right here. See it all coming together? Add it to your calendar. I might even go live for the Apple event. I'm not going to have it on my screen, but I might just go live just to talk to you guys. Let me know if you guys want me to go live and we can talk about the Apple event. And I can say, I told you we were going to get the Apple glasses. But this video's been long enough. I'm out of here. But make sure that, you're aware and you understand. And I'm going to come back and give you a few more tips about what you get from YouTube when it comes to, I'm going to see if that works now that I've already subscribed to myself. Let me play that again. I'm going to mute this all the way because I don't want that to be interfering with my audio, right? So, I got the closed caption on and we're going to see the word subscribe and we can see if it's going to illuminate. See, okay, subscribe right there. But I don't see it again. If you're already subscribed, you're not going to get the animation. So if you haven't subscribed, there's your chance. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys by September 9th. We're going to keep talking about those Apple glasses, though. Peace out.